In this video, I will explain you how to create custom action in Salesforce. For creating action, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Under this, there are two options are present. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. The setup page is open, and under this setup page there are two tabs are present on the navbar. The first tab is home tab and another tab is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. The object manager page is open. Here you can see that the loads of objects are present, but we want to select the one of the objects, so we selecting the account object that is used in the event. The account object page is open. Under this page we can see there is a detail section present on the left side, and under this detail section there is a button links and action option. Click on this option. The button links and action page is open. We want to create a new action. For creating a new action, click on the new action button. After clicking on the new action button, the new action page is open. Under this new action page, lots of action information are present. Fill in the complete information. So firstly, fill the selected action type. Select the action type. Basically, these are the different action as you see. So right now, I have this as a update or record. So select the update or record and then choose the label. The label we have that have a two different ways. Firstly, we can define it as a standard label. Likely, if we select it as a update record, that it will be renamed as account update. Since this is an account record, so either we select this or we define a label. Here we are defining a label as update account record and then enter the name as update account record, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the name field. After that, fill the description. You know the description would be anything that we wanted as always. And then fill the success message. The success message have been defined. And we can have the icon that is already defined. Now click on the save button. The action is saved. This is basically, if you know, when we click on the button, we would be get a pop-up. So this basically define the field to be available in the pop-up. Right now, I have this as it is and I click on the save button. So this is now been saved. Now this have to be add to the page layout as link and button. We have seen in the previous video. Select the page layout that is present under the detail in the left side bar. The page layout page is open. Now click on the account layout. So since this is an action, it is available on the mobile lightning action and enter the update account record in the quick find box and you can see this option. Now drag this and dropping into the mobile and lightning section and click on the save button. So this is got saved. So let me go back to the account object. For this, click on the app launcher and enter the accounts. In the search box, click on the accounts. The accounts page is open. Here you can see the lots of records are present. Select one of the record and here we are selecting this record. And on the left side at the top of the record, we can see the lots of buttons are present. Click on the drop down arrow of this button and you can see that the update account record button is present. Click on this button and the pop-up dialog box will be appear. And this is the page layout that we have earlier. We can make the changes as needed and we can save this. This is how action work out. Now I will explain how to create action in Salesforce Classic. For this, click on the profile picture and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and our Salesforce Classic version is open. And now you can see that there is a username. Click on the drop down arrow of the username. The drop down list is open. Under this list you can see that the lots of options are present. Select the setup option. The setup page is open. Now enter the accounts in the quick find box that is used for the event. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and here you can see that the button links and action option are present under the account. Click on that. For creating the new action, click on the new action button. After clicking on the new action page is open. Under this new action page, lots of action information are present. Fill the complete information carefully. Firstly, select the action type. Basically, these are the different action as you seen. So right now I have this as a create a record and then choose the target object, and here we are choosing the account as a target object, and then choose the relationship field, and we are choosing the relationship field as account number, and then select the standard label. The label we can have that as a two different way. Firstly, we can define it as a standard label, like if we select it as a create record, then it will be renamed as account create, since this is an account record. So either we can select this or we can define as a label, and here we are filling label as a create account record, and then fill the name by simply clicking on the name field, and after that fill the description. You know that the description would be anything that we wanted as always, and after that enter the success message that have been defined, and we can have the icon also be defined. So click on the save button. The action is saved. This is basically, if you know, when we click on that button we would be get a pop-up. So this basically define the field to be available in the pop-up. Right now I have this as it is and I click on the save button. So this is now being saved. So now this add to the page layout. So click on the account again in the quick find box and scroll to the bottom of the page, and select the page layout. The account page layout page is open. Now click on the account layout, click on the edit. So this is an action. It will be available in the mobile and lightning action. Click on this and search the create account record. So this is the account record. Drag this and drop it into the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action and click on the save button. But the actions in this section appear in the lightning experience and in the mobile app action bar, and may appear in the third party apps that use this page layout.